and the sky was lit with thunder and lightning. Princess Mirha became frightened and clung tightly to her husband's hand. Suddenly, a branch struck her head and she fainted. When Princess Mirha regained consciousness, she found herself in the middle of the forest. Her husband was nowhere to be seen. She looked around and spotted a small hut. Approaching the hut, she found an old woman living there. The old woman was kind and took Princess Mirha in. When the old woman saw the diamond bracelet, she became very worried. She told Princess Mirha that a monster was searching for her because of the bracelet. The monster wanted to possess the diamonds, but Princess Mirha need not fear, as the old woman would do everything to protect her. The next day, when the monster arrived, the old woman distracted it, giving Meha a chance to escape. The monster killed the old woman and pursued